In this tutorial, we'll explore 7 key areas of the Settings module in Unleashed, helping you configure your system for efficiency and accuracy. Number 1. Company settings. Set up your company details, currencies, tax settings, and branding for consistent documentation. This ensures your documents, tax settings, and branding are consistent across all transactions, critical for compliance and professionalism. Number 2. User roles and permissions. Control access by assigning roles and permissions, keeping sensitive data secure. By setting this up, you'll ensure that sensitive data is protected and errors are prevented by giving each team member only the access they need. Number 3. Email templates. Customize email templates for quotes, orders, and invoices, saving time and ensuring consistency. Having these set up saves time and keeps communication consistent, so customers and suppliers always receive clear, branded messages. Number 4. Automated notifications. Enable automated emails for key transactions like placing orders or creating shipments, keeping customers and suppliers informed. This reduces manual follow-up and keeps stakeholders informed instantly, improving customer and supplier experience and efficiency. Number 5. Adjustment reasons. Create clear adjustment reasons for stock changes, improving audit trails and reporting. Number 6. Document designer. Design custom templates for invoices, quotes, purchase orders, and more, aligning documents with your brand. By aligning your documents with your brand identity, you build trust and professionalism. And finally, number 7. Integration setup. Connect Unleashed with accounting, e-commerce, and shipping platforms for seamless workflows and the elimination of the dreaded double data entry. Here are some recommended best practices. Review settings quarterly, test templates before automating, and keep permissions updated. Are you ready to optimize your settings? Head to Settings and start customizing today. For more tips, explore the Settings help files. Thanks for watching.